Hello students, in this video we are discussing a gate numerical. An image having 512 into 512 picture elements. These are the total elements. And what he is saying here, each picture element can take any of the 8 distinguished levels. Then calculate the maximum entropy. Yes. What is asking? Maximum entropy. What is called entropy? Entropy is nothing but average information, as well as entropy is also called the measure of uncertainty. Measure of uncertainty. So what is uncertainty means? When you will have maximum uncertainty, for example, I will tell you simple example. I have a coin, which is a fair coin, one side head and the other side tail. So each probability is 1 by 2. Then can you say exactly if I toss the coin, can you say exactly what is the outcome? That is one situation. Second situation, I have a coin where that coin is having probability of head is 1, probability of tail is 0. What is the meaning of that? So the coin is having both sides head only. If I toss that coin, can you say what is the exact output? Yes, exactly. I can say it's head only. So means whenever all symbols are having equal probability of occurrence, then there exists a maximum uncertainty which symbol will come. Clear? Here he is saying about the maximum entropy. When maximum entropy? Whenever all levels are having equal probability of occurrence. And already we derived in the classroom. Directly I am giving the formula. The formula for Hmax is nothing but simple logic. The actual formula what I written in the previous, that is for entropy. If you want to calculate the maximum entropy, directly you can calculate. Simply it is nothing but log 2 how many symbols or how many levels or whatever may be source generates. Here 80 distinguished levels, so log 8. Generally say log n base 2. N is nothing but the number of symbols generated by the source. So what is this value? This is 3. So Hmax value 3. For what? We calculate for one picture element. One picture element you got the Hmax is 3. But how many picture element we have to calculate? 512 into 512 picture elements are there into 3. Just like 1 pen cost is 3 rupees. 10 pen cost 10 into 3. Each element maximum entropy is 3. There are 512 into 512 picture elements are there into Hmax 3. If you calculate, you will get 786,432 bits you will get. A source produces 4 symbols with the probability 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. And he given average code word length is 2 bit per symbol. And what he is asking, calculate the efficiency of the code word. What is the formula we have? The formula for efficiency of code word is nothing but L minimum divided by L. What is called L, student? Average code word length. Here I told one more point also. L minimum is nothing but entropy of the source. The entire derivation is there in our regular video classes. But here directly we are going with the formula. What is that? H by L is the average, efficiency of the code word. Now, in this problem already they given the average code word length is 2 bits. So L value given 2 bits per symbol. What we need to calculate? H we have to calculate. What is H? H is called entropy. What is the formula we are having for calculation of entropy? Entropy is nothing but a summation I equal to 1 to n probability into its information. Information is nothing but a log of 1 by probability. And here base is always 2. So we are measuring the information in terms of bits. Clear? Now, they given the source is generating 4 symbols. So I equal to 1 to 4 you have to take. 5 symbols 1 to 5, 10 symbols 1 to 10, like that. Substitute all values. First probability is 1 by 2 into log of base 2. Probability is log of 1 by probability 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into log base 2 1 by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 into log of base 2 1 by 1 by 8, so 8 plus 1 by 8 into log of 8 base 2. Calculate that value. If you are calculating that value, you will get 7 by 4. Entropy, what is the units for entropy? Same, bits per symbol. So here we got entropy value is, students, 7 by 4. Average code word length already given. So 7 by 8 is the answer. If you add the percentage into 100, you can take. So option B is the correct answer. Are you getting my point or not? Sir, what is average code length? If you want, what is the formula for L? L is already given there, but actually what is the formula for L? L is nothing but a summation Ni into probability. What is the Ni? Ni is nothing but code word length. What is, sir? What is code word length? Code word length is nothing but number of bits in the code. Maybe zeros or ones. The number of bits in the code is called the code length. Of course, N is called code length. What is L? Average code length. So code length into its probability, if you take like for all symbols, you will get the average code word length. Clear? But of course, that is given. I calculated the entropy substituted. Clear? See the next problem. A source generates 3 symbols with the probabilities 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, like 0.25, 0.25, 0.5 given. And he is also given that symbol per second means symbol rate given. And assuming that independent generation, most efficient source encoder will have a average bit rate. Bit rate means R. R is nothing but small r into H. What is R called? Bits per second. What is small r is called? Symbol per second. What is H called? Entropy, bits per symbol. And here already given symbol rate 3000. And we need to calculate the entropy. See, in all these problems, H term is regularly coming. So calculation of entropy is a common model. The way of style, the style of asking the question is different, but entropy is regularly asking. What is the formula we are having for calculation of entropy? Entropy is nothing but summation of probability into log of 1 by probability. Of course, this term is called information based. Here 3 symbols, so 1, 2, 3. Substitute. First one given 0.25 means 1 by 4 into log 1 by 1 by 4. So log 4 base 2 plus 1 by 4 into log 4 base 2 plus 1 by 2 into log 1 by 1 by 2. So log 2 base 2. Calculate, students. If you calculate, how much it will come here? Obviously 2 is the answer because 2 square na. So 2 by 4, 2 by 4. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 because log 2 base 2 1. So it will be 3 by 2. Entropy units are bits per symbol and an average how many bits you are sending per each symbol. Substitute in the above. Small r value is 3000 into entropy value 3 byte. Calculate, you will get 4500 bits per second. That is the option. Clear? Try to follow all the questions and see our regular videos. Definitely, you will have a good knowledge over the communication subject. See the problem. A memoryless source emits n symbols and each symbol with a probability of p. So what we have to understand, source is generating n symbols, each probability is p means all are equiprobable. And what is asking? Entropy which is the function of n, like increases, decreases, same, like that they're given some options. So here, whenever all symbols are having equal probability, I told that what is the entropy you are getting? Hmax. Anyhow, what is the formula for that Hmax? Hmax is nothing but here n symbols are there. So simply log n base 2. 5 symbols are there, log 5 base 2. If all are having equal probability, maximum uncertainty, this is the formula for calculation. And he is asking what about the entropy? Entropy, yes, entropy will increase as log n value increases. Entropy increases as log n. Yes, option A is the correct one. Are you getting my point or not? He is saying n log, no n, no. It's only we got Hmax is log n. So increases as log n. Clear? Yeah. See, a communication channel with AWGN channel at a signal to noise ratio far greater than 1 he given. And a bandwidth is B, capacity of the channel C1. Okay. What he done? If SNR is doubled, if SNR is doubled by keeping the bandwidth is constant, what is the new value of capacity of a channel? And we know that what is the capacity of a channel formula? C equal to B into log base 2 1 plus S by N. S by N is called signal to noise ratio. Of course, what is channel capacity? The number of bits carried by the channel per second is called channel capacity. And this is the formula for channel capacity. In the problem itself, he given that SNR is far greater than 1. So, I can neglect 1. Now follow. This he called as some C1. What is a C2 is asking approximately a C2 value. By keeping the bandwidth is constant, but what he done? SNR is doubled. I think all of you understand why I neglected 1? Because SNR is far greater than 1 he given. This I can write as B log base 2 S by N plus B log 2 base 2. Are you getting my point or not? Now, because log AB can be written as log A plus log B. Now, this is nothing but B log S by N. B log S by N is nothing but C1. Log 2 base 2 1. So, it is nothing but a B. So, you can see option will be C2 will be approximately C1 plus B. Very simple logic. The point you had to understand, SNR given far greater than 1. So, you had to neglect 1. Then log AB formula. Clear? This is a formula for channel capacity. See the next problem. A source alphabet generates n symbols with the probability of first 2 symbols being same, means equal probability. As the source encoder increases the probability of a first symbol by a small amount and it decreases the second symbol by the same amount, then what about the entropy of the source? If you see the previous all problems, I think no need of solving this question. You can handle it. Because similar model is also asking about entropy. When you will have maximum entropy, whenever all symbols are having equal probability. And here it generates n symbols. We don't bother about all. He said that first 2 symbols are equal. Whenever they are having equal probability, maximum entropy. Second case, maybe first one decreases, second one increase, or first one increase, second one decrease, whatever may be unequal. When compared with unequal, equal probability will have maximum entropy. Starting he said both are same, equal probability, later different probability. So equal to different means entropy will decrease. So option D is the correct answer. Similar model of problem only. See the next problem. Let U and V be 2 independent, identical, distributed random variables. He given that probability of U equal to +1 equal to -1 equal to 1 by 2. Means U is taking 2 symbols with equal probability of 1 by 2. V also taking, because identical. We also taking 2 symbols +1 and -1 with the probability 1 by 2. What is asking? Entropy of this is asking. What is the formula for entropy? Summation probability into log of 1 by probability. Means whenever these type of problems are given, He said that u and v are random variable. Here the given random variable is a discrete or continuous? Yes, exactly. The given random variable is a discrete random variable because it is taking integer values. If the random variable is considering only integer values, it is called discrete random variable. All possibilities, continuous random variable. Whenever the problems comes on discrete random variable, always use this procedure. What is the procedure is, first let's calculate what are the possible symbols for u plus v. He said that u and v are identical. Both are taking two symbols, plus 1 and minus 1. What are the total possibilities? U plus 1, v also plus 1. This is plus 1, this is minus 1. Minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. These are the all possibilities. And what he is asking? He is asking u plus v. Suppose he is asking 3v plus v. So take that. 2u plus v, take that. U plus 10v, take that. Whatever the combination is asking, you can take that combination. What are the possibilities? Plus 2, 0, 0, minus 2. So total how many possible symbols are there for u plus v? One symbol, second symbol, third symbol. Three symbols are there. What is the probability also you can write? What is the probability of u plus v becoming plus 2? Both should be plus 1. Both becoming plus 1, 1 by 2, another also 1 by 2, so 1 by 4. Next, what is the probability of u becoming plus 1? All are equal given 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. For 0, 1 by 4 here, another combination also there. So getting the 0 symbol, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. And getting the minus 2 symbol, you can already know that 1 by 4. What is asking? Entropy. What is the entropy formula? Probability into log of 1 by probability. What is the first symbol of probability? 1 by 4 into log of 1 by 1 by 4. Log 4 plus 1 by 2 into log of 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into log of 1 by 1 by 4. Calculate. You will get 3 by 2 bits per symbol. So whenever the problems comes on discrete random variable, maintain the table, take all possibilities, and what is asking, take that. From there you can calculate. Clear? The capacity of a band limited AWGN channel, additive white Gaussian noisy channel, is already given the formula. And is saying that W is the bandwidth, P is the average power, sigma square is the variance of one-sided power spectral density. P by Q square value he given 1000. The capacity of a channel such that bandwidth is going to be infinity. In the regular classroom, we derived the formula. If bandwidth is tending towards infinity, capacity of the channel is C infinity. It's looking like infinite but not. Its value is 1.44 S by N naught I told. Here in place of S by N naught, he given P by sigma square. And this value is given 1000. So obviously 1.44K, he already told in kbps. So remaining is 1.44 option A. And if you want to know how this derivation came, sir, if bandwidth is tending towards infinity, you can purchase our regular video classes. There the entire derivation is there, or attend our regular classes, you will get the point. But if the bandwidth is tending towards infinity, the capacity of the channel, I denoted with the C infinity, is 1.44 S by N naught. Here S is P, N naught is sigma square given. Clear? Yeah. A fair coin is tossed repeatedly, head appears for the first time. And here L denotes number of tosses to get first head, and he is asking entropy. What is the meaning of entropy? Average. So the question is, overall he said that and an average, how many times you have to toss the coin to get the head first time. And he is saying L is the number of tosses. This side I can take probability of L, P of L. Suppose I tossed first time. What is the probability of getting a head? 1 by 2. Suppose the first time not happened, I gone for the second toss. What is the probability of getting hit in the first time, the second toss? First time is not getting 1 by 2. Second time getting another 1 by 2. Next. If not happen third time, means first 2 times it's not came. Third time coming 1 by 2 like and so on. Is asking entropy. What is the entropy formula? Probability into log of 1 by probability. First one 1 by 2. Are you getting my point? So 1 by 2 log 2. Plus next one 1 by 4 log 1 by 1 by 4. Next one 1 by 8 log 1 by 1 by 8 will be 8. Plus and so on. See, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 like that. Then what is this value? Are you following or not? Log 2 base 2, 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Plus, here, log 4 base 2, 2 into 1 by 4. So, 1 by 2 whole square I can write. Plus, 3 into 1 by 2 whole cube I can write. Plus and so on. What I am doing is, I am taking 1 by 2 common. Then it will be 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 whole power 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus and so on. If we clearly observe this, 1 by 2 into this is nothing but 1 minus x whole power minus 2 expansion. What is that? 1 minus x. 1 minus, 1 plus all. 1 plus 2 into 1 by, that is x power n minus 1 plus 3 into x power n minus 2 like and so on. That is 1 minus x whole power minus 2 expansion. This is nothing but 1 into 1 by 2 whole power 0 plus 2 into 1 by 2 whole power 1. 1 power decrement from here to here. You have to understand. Then this is nothing but 1 minus x whole power minus 2. 1 minus x is 1 by 2 whole power minus 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. But minus is a, so reverse it. So 2. 2 square, 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Simple logic. We have a coin. We have to get head the first time. So average number of times you have to toss is 2 times. Sometimes you will ask a failed die. What is the average number of times you have to throw the die to get 3 first time? Or 5 first time, 6 first time, or 1 first time. Simple logic. Die is having 6 faces. So if you throw 6 times an average, then there is a chance is there any number will come first time. Here 2 faces, toss 2 times. Clear? See the next problem. The capacity of a binary symmetric channel with a crossover probability 0.5 is dash. The first point you have to understand. What is called a binary symmetric channel? The meaning of binary is it is having only 2 symbols, that is 0 and 1. Output also same. What is the meaning of symmetric? The probability of error for 0 and the probability of error for 1 both are same. For example, if I call P, the meaning of symmetric is error for 0 and for 1, dono same. If this value is P, obviously becoming 0, 1 minus P, this is 1 minus, because the total probability is 1. This is the meaning of binary symmetric channel. What is asking? Calculation of capacity. We have the formula for capacity of a binary symmetric channel is 1 plus P log P base 2 plus 1 minus P log 1 minus P base 2. Here, he given crossover probability means this value is given 0.5. Substitute there. Then 1 plus 0.5 means 1 by 2 log 1 by 2 base 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus 1 by 2 base 2. Calculate here 1, and if it comes in the numerator minus, it also 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 comes in the numerator minus. So 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That itself will become 0. And here I given directly formula. The entire derivation we given our regular classroom as well as regular our video classes also. But here directly I given the formula for capacity of a BSC channel. One more thing is also there. That is called entropy of a channel. Simply entropy formula is Up to here you can take, but minus of. Up to here, but a minus of P log P plus 1 minus P log 1 minus P base 2 is nothing but entropy of the BSc channel. Clear? The derivation also important for engineering service examinations. You can look into our video classes once, you will get that. Consider a jet channel shown below. Input is 0 or 1. Input symbol may be 0 or 1 with equal probability. So, the probability of 0 is 1 by 2, 1 also 1 by 2 because equal. The output is 0, already knows. What is the probability that input sending also 0? Whenever they are asking the problems on conditional probability, try to apply the Bayes theorem, that you can get the answers in easier manner. For our easy of understanding, input symbol x0 x1, output symbol y0 y1. What is asking is already knows that output is 0. If output is 0 means already knows output is 0 means knowing things we are writing the denominator. What is the condition that transmitted is also 0? Is nothing but P of x0 into reverse it. P of y0 by x0 divided by P of y0 is the Bayes theorem. Already they given what is the P of x0? Equal probability 1 by 2. Y0 by x0. Y0 by x0 is given 1 divided by P of y0. How to calculate this output probabilities? Input and channel given. Output probabilities is nothing but input into channel. Are you getting my point? So I can write simple from that matrices. P of y0 is nothing but P of x0 into P of y0 by x0. Even if you apply the matrices also similar thing only will come. Into P of x1 into P of y0 by x1. What is P of x0? 1 by 2. Y0 by x0. Y0 by x0 1 plus P of x1 also 1 by 2. Y0 by x1. Y0 by x1 1 by 4. So this is nothing but I can take 1 by 2 common. 1 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 4. So this value is nothing but 5 by 8. So here you can substitute this value 5 by 8. 1 and here 4 will be gone because 1 by 2 this is also in denominator. So it will come as here 4. Reverse the fraction, or if you want 1 by 2 into 8 by 5. Then 4. So 4 by 5 is the answer. 4 by 5 means 0.8 if we say. Clear?